Hi everybody. I wanted to go over a few things with the Moodle program here and make sure that you're aware of some features that exist that you may not be aware of. But first let's go over some things. The 911 help forum. This is a good place to go to post a question you may have that the class may be able to help you answer, or you may have it might be a good place to go to look to see if the question's already been asked and answered in the forum as well. Good place to go just to see what kinds of things are going on as far as questions and possible solutions. Again, here's your syllabus. You click on that, it'll open up and you'll see the dates and assignments for each particular week. Now I want to go over, again, this is a book. Inside the book you'll have your lesson which will explain everything. Now just so you understand this as well, items outside of the book, I've tried to align the items that go with each other in a distinct order. So here we have the first book, and then we have the form that goes with it. Here we have the Microsoft Photo Story 3 book, and here are the items that go with Photo Story 3. Okay, and so on down through. So again, this is a book signified by the book icon. Here we have the form with the two faces, and down here we have, this is actually a link to a web page. Here we have this is a download that you'll have to have. This is a zip file. These are project files. There's particular pieces for this photo story project. So anytime you see that emblem, it is something you would download. Okay, here we have it's an Excel sheet. This is the 3 rubrics that you will use. It's not, excuse me, 3 rubrics. It's Photo Story 3 rubrics. There's actually 2 rubrics, one for the Abe Lincoln project and one for the Christmas project here. And then you can see that there's another form. So going back up to the top here, well actually we'll just go to the Photo Story 3 one. Inside Photo Story 3's book, you'll see the different sections of the book. This section, as I skip to it, is actually a video that I put together that explains how to do this portion. Most of my instruction is, well actually all of it, is a video tutorial. Here, when I hit play, I want you to make sure you know, I turn the volume down on that. Just so you can see also, this would be how you make the screen size bigger, and this area right here, you see how your choices are 360, 480, or 720 HD. I've done all the videos that I've recorded in HD, so you'll have very good quality if you know to come up here and click 720p HD. If not, you're going to have poor quality down here at 360. So make sure you hit the 720p HD, and then you can make it big, and then you'll have excellent quality, visual quality in the lecture. Alright, so let me close out of this real quick, and I'm going to stop it. So again, make sure that you set that setting. You can't set it until actually you click on play, and once you click on play you'll have that feature and you can choose the HD. Okay, so again, every video that I've shot, not all the videos on here are HD. The ones that I have shot as tutorials are in HD. Some of them might just be linked to another video site or even to YouTube itself, but the original location or author of the video hasn't done it in HD. It could be, but probably not. But for the most part, the video, all the videos that I'm doing for instruction are in HD. Alright, so I think that's all I wanted to show you. There's a few videos in there. When you get down here to like the Act section, you'll see again you can download these items inside the book or on the outside of the book. It's the only way we can do it. We can't hide them on the outside or they wouldn't show up on the inside. So I don't want you to get confused by that. It's the same exact thing. It's just in 2 different locations. Again, this one, this is actually a good one for us to click on, Photo Story 3 project files. When you click on it, you'll get this window that pops up, and then if you click on it again, you'll get a pop-up window. Now you can see it's taking a little bit of time. If I right click on this and I can say save link as, it will come up a little bit faster. Okay, so just a little tip. It might spin like this for a little while depending on your speed or connections. A lot of times though, if you just go direct link to this file, and if I right click it and save link as, I'll get that window and it'll pop up right away, and I can say save, and I'll get the little download window, and once it actually starts it should go very quickly. Okay, alright, so just a couple little tips and tricks there. I'm going to go back to the front side of the book of where we were at. You notice that that was the same file on the inside. I'm going to go back down to this. This was also on the page we were on in the book, but it's the Photo Story 3 rubrics. So I'm going to actually pull that up real quick. You can see we get that same little window open with Microsoft Excel, and here is the actual project. Now I better make that smaller so you can actually see this. Down here I'm on the Lincoln project. It's on a separate sheet as the Christmas rubric. So one sheet is the Abe rubric, the other sheet is the Christmas rubric. So just in case you didn't know, you had to click on the little sheet tabs down here to get the correct rubric. It's all one file, but there's two sheets, and it shows you what I'm looking for in assessing the projects that you're doing. Alright, here we have, this is where you would turn in your project. If I click on that area, you'll browse, find the file that I need you to turn in, and then you'll upload that file. And I think I'm pretty much done with that quick overview. I just wanted to make sure I mentioned a couple of things that you may not have been aware of. Again, look at the book and then the things that go with it. In this particular, in week 1, you have 2 books. Down here in week 2, you'll have actually 3 books. Some things, another thing I wanted to make sure I mentioned in the forums, a lot of the forums I'm just asking you to make one original post. Only 1 or 2 forums in this whole class do I ask you to respond at all to your classmates. Now of course you can respond to your classmates if you like, but for the most part I'm not requiring you to respond to your classmates, with the exception of 1 or 2 forums. And you'll see inside those forums I've designated which ones they are. Most of them are not, but the couple that are, when you read the description you'll see that, oh yeah, on this one I have to post to a classmate. Okay, I look forward to working with you guys for the next few weeks here, and please let me know if you have any questions, and contact me through email or my phone number. They're listed on the syllabus here, and we'll get you moving along as best we can, and hopefully you have good experience with the class. So I'll look forward to hearing from you.